So today I'm pretty happy to come back to the roots, so to speak. On the menu is a pretty simple and straightforward street photography session with my beloved 85mm f1.8. This video will be more centered on the photography and trying to deliver the atmosphere of Hiroshima at night without too much of a commentary or me talking to the camera. So with that, let's not wait any longer and get back to the shoot.
This is the best thing in the world.
summer coming to an end, I may shoot more often at night, I think, which I like to do, especially if I don't have to wait until too late in the day, because your boy is a morning person and at night around 9-10 o'clock I'm sleeping like a baby. So once I will consider myself up to speed, I will probably make a video about my night street photography process, featuring some tips and tricks, but I'm curious to see if you would be interested to see such video. And on that note, I'm happy with any of your suggestions. I have video ideas, but it is the kind of thing that the more we have, the better, I think, so don't hesitate to leave a comment with what you like to see, and I'll try to make it happen. Quick note on my presets, I have received some comments asking if they are compatible with Lightroom Mobile. To be honest, I didn't really think about it before, but once this video goes live, the presets will also be available for Lightroom Mobile. So if you have any interest and you're editing exclusively on Lightroom Mobile, please feel free to get your preset pack and start having fun with them.